We also would urge our viewers to listen to the Chief Minister and stay in and only step out if necessary. Now, as the number of coronavirus cases continue to steadily rise in India, one of the big questions facing the healthcare system in India is the supply of adequate number of medical equipment like ventilators and masks. According to reports, India has about 40,000 ventilators which may be inadequate if the number of coronavirus cases in India reaches a critical level. According to data from China, the epicenter of coronavirus pandemic, about 15% of coronavirus patients need hospitalization, while 5% need to be admitted in an ICU where they require the assistance of medical equipment such as ventilators as the patients develop a difficulty in breathing. In India, even 5% of the potential patients would mean an alarming figure given the country's population, and meeting their medical needs is a priority now. Manufacturers across the world are being urged to join the collective effort in a way not seen since the World War II and produce medical equipment such as ventilators, which are said to be in short supply as cases spiral. Ventilators are mechanical breathing devices which use pressure to blow air or a mixture of gases such as oxygen and air into the lungs. They are crucial to the care of people with lung failure, which can be one of the complications suffered by patients with severe cases of coronavirus. Ventilators can also be set to exhale the air, effectively taking over both the inhale and exhale functions. They can be set to breathe at a certain rate according to a patient's needs. Last Thursday, the Indian government banned the export of all ventilators along with surgical and disposable masks and textile raw material used for making masks and coveralls. Meanwhile, Anand Mahindra, the chairman of the Mahindra Group, tweeted that his company would be exploring ways to make ventilators at its manufacturing facilities to help the government respond to this unprecedented threat of coronavirus. Also, phone maker Xiaomi has said that it will be donating N95 masks and protective hazmat suits to state governments. The United States and the United Kingdom have also asked many industries to contribute by making more ventilators and masks. US automakers Ford Motors, General Motors and Tesla had been given the green light to produce ventilators and other medical items at their factories. In the UK, the British industry has made new prototype ventilators and mass production is set to begin shortly to meet the growing demand.
Made the call to British industry last week. We've been overwhelmed by offers of support, and there's now a number of manufacturers who are working with us. We were in receipt of some of the first prototypes, and we expect that manufacturing can start quite quickly. We're up to, I think, 12,000 ventilators now. The deal with the private sector brings an additional 1,000 ventilators to bear on the situation, but we do need more, and we're trying to ramp up production as quickly as we can.